Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Hazim bin Muhammad Zali and I from group 2. Our group member is Muhammad Hadi Hasbi, Ahmad Arif, Adan Danish and me, Muhammad Hazim bin Muhammad Zali. Okay, so in this video we would like to present of our storyboard of manner or sunnah as Muslim. Okay, our title is Dining with the Dignity. Okay, I would like to present about frame 1 to frame 5. So, for the frame 1, Bakar is attending his friend wedding, which is Ali. So, Bakar stand facing the entrance in front of the hall. Okay, the type of shot is using is medium shot and using over the shoulder angle. For the frame 2, Bakar is eating food while standing at a table even though there was a chair next to him. In addition, he also took food in a portion that exceeds his needs. Okay, the type of shot is medium shot and eye level angle. Okay, for the frame 3, Ustaz Razman sees Bakar from afar and he feels that Bakar's actions are wrong. So the shot using is wide shot and eye level angle. Okay, for the frame 4, Ustaz Razman approached Bakar while Bakar was still unaware of Ustaz Razman's presence. So he continues eating the food. The type of shot using is over the shoulder and high angle. So for the frame 5, Ustaz Razman reprimanding Bakar for his wrongdoing. So he tells Bakar how to eat properly and in a civilized manner. So the type of shot using is medium shot and eye level angle.
Hi, my name is Adam Danish bin Muhammad Fitri and my metric number is 079751. We move on to the next scene. Ustaz Razman then told Bakar that good manners before eating not just about following sunnah, but also show respect to people around us and foods that we are given. First thing first, he should wash his hand cleanly with soap to make sure that our hand clean. Dirty hand can make us sick because of the bad bacteria. After washing our hands, Bakar has been told to sit properly and politely, and before taking the first bite, we should recite the dua. It's a way for us to show our grateful to Allah Subhanahu Wa Taala. And Ustaz Razman told Bakar that we must remember that not everyone in the world has enough to eat, so we recite the dua to thankful to Allah Subhanahu Wa Taala. That's all from me.
Now I want to present about manner while eating. And the first frame, we have to eat with the right hand. I use a POV angle now as point of view to focus the someone hand. The third second, the camera shows two people talking, but one of them say don't talk when your mouth is full of food. The camera shot is double shot and angle is eye level. The second scene, the cameras show someone chewing so as not to disturb other people, and the type of shot is medium shot and angle eye level. The fourth frame is the angle over the shoulder, now as OTS, shows someone is reprimanding people who criticize food. We say don't criticize food who don't like. The fifth frame is the camera focus on someone's hand. By using angle point of view, now as POV. Who ready to pray after it?
My name is Aman Arif Bisharul Adnan, and today I want to present about frame 15 to frame 18. At the frame 15, the scene show that Baka recite a prayer after eating, and the type of shot is medium close up, and the angle is eye level angle. Next, we are going to frame 16. The scene show that the main character Baka eat until nothing left on his plate, and we are going to use the type of shot is POV shot, and the angle is eye level POV. And next, we are going to frame 17. This show that the main character Baka put the used plate into the dustbin, and we are going to use medium close up and eye level angle. And the last one is frame 18. This scene show that Baka shake hand with Ustaz Rahman as sign thank him to the Ustaz because teach him about the manners of eating. And the type of shot is medium shot, and the angle is eye level angle. That's all from us. Thank you.